Imagine living in a world where every device you use on a daily basis or in your house does more than just fulfill a function. It changes the way you perceive the mundane. Today, we're going to explore some of the most creative and inventive devices available on the market today. Ingenious devices that are meant to improve, simplify, and completely transform your daily life. These devices are the pinnacle of contemporary inventiveness, ranging from durable outdoor tools to sleek home technology that anticipates your requirements. Joule Oven Air Fryer Pro. The Joule Oven Air Fryer Pro is a stylish device that combines the efficiency of an air fryer with the adaptability of a conventional oven. From crispy fries to delicate roasts, its intelligent controls and accurate temperature settings guarantee consistently prepared dishes. However, the Joule's app connection is what really makes it unique. Even novices may produce results on par with professionals thanks to guided instructions and real-time cooking updates. It is perfect for meal preparation or family feasts because of its roomy design, which enables multi-dish cooking. Haptique RS90. Take your virtual reality and gaming to the next level with the Haptique RS90, a cutting-edge haptic suit. You can experience every explosion, punch, and environmental effect as if you were in the game thanks to this state-of-the-art wearable's tactile feedback provided by sophisticated sensors and actuators. Long gaming sessions are enjoyable because of the RS90's lightweight, breathable design, which was built for comfort and performance. Additionally, you may adjust the feedback strength to your liking thanks to its wide degree of customization. SwitchBot Curtain Rod 2. With the SwitchBot Curtain Rod 2, you can turn your plain curtains into intelligent ones. You can open and close your drapes with a button press or even voice commands thanks to this clever gadget that connects to your current curtain rod. Without requiring an expensive redesign, its elegant style adds a layer of automation to your house while blending in perfectly with your decor. The SwitchBot Curtain Rod 2 maximizes natural light in your house, which also has energy-saving advantages. Make plans to close the curtains at night for privacy or to wake up to the sun. Miniproca. The Miniproca redefines food preparation and is a marvel of contemporary kitchen invention. From cutting vegetables to smoothly blending sauces, this small food processor is remarkably powerful despite its compact size. Its high-speed engine and razor-sharp blades guarantee rapid, reliable results, saving you time and effort in the kitchen. Its portability without sacrificing performance makes it perfect for small kitchens or cooking while on the go. One chop at a time, the Miniproca transforms your culinary experience by bringing professional-grade convenience to everyday meal prep with its easy-to-clean components and user-friendly design. MChaos Power Bank. The MChaos Power Bank is a lifeline for your devices, not just a portable charger. With its massive battery capacity, this formidable gadget can charge your laptop, smartphone, and even small appliances several times. Its weather-resistant design makes it a great travel companion for lengthy commutes, camping excursions, and emergency scenarios. You won't ever be without power thanks to the MChaos Power Bank's numerous fast charging connectors, which include USB-C and wireless charging options. Roku Streambar Pro. The Roku Streambar Pro, a gadget that blends high-end audio with smooth streaming capabilities, can enhance your home entertainment experience. With access to thousands of streaming channels and excellent, immersive sound all in one small container, its elegant form is a potent punch. It's easy to set up, and its voice-activated remote control keeps you in charge at all times. The Streambar Pro proves that big things come in tiny packages by improving every viewing experience, whether you're hosting a movie night or binge-watching your favorite series. BenQ GS50. The BenQ GS50 is a portable projector made for adventure that can turn any area into a cinematic experience. It provides brilliant colors and crystal-clear 4K images, whether you're projecting onto an outdoor screen beneath the stars or an inside wall. More than just a projector, the GS50 is an entertainment center with an integrated speaker system and app connection. It's small, strong, and splash-proof, making it ideal for presentations, movie evenings, and long gaming sessions wherever life takes you. Indestructible Notebook and Pen. The indestructible notebook and pen is an essential item for people who literally live on the edge. This notebook's sturdy construction makes it resistant to fire, water, and harsh weather, and the pen writes perfectly in any setting, even zero gravity and underwater. This kit is made to survive the most difficult situations, making it ideal for journalists, adventurers, and anybody else who requires dependability on the go. PureVis 2. With the PureVis 2, a self-cleaning water bottle made to maintain the cleanliness of your hydration regimen, you can wave goodbye to waterborne bacteria. It eliminates 99.9% of bacteria and viruses with cutting-edge UVC light technology, guaranteeing that every drink is as pure as nature intended. Its sleek form makes it a fashionable travel, work, or exercise accessory. The PureVis 2 is more than just a bottle because to its long-lasting rechargeable battery and environmentally responsible design. It's a pledge to both the environment and your health. LG Mood Up. The LG Mood Up is more than just a refrigerator. It's a conversation starter and mood enhancer. You may alter the refrigerator's color to fit the occasion or your mood thanks to the programmable LED panels on its doors. Are you throwing a party? Increase the liveliness. Desire a serene atmosphere? Choose calming colors. However, this refrigerator is more than simply aesthetically pleasing. It has cutting-edge cooling technology and clever features like temperature control and smartphone connectivity for inventory management. Raineo Air 2. The Raineo Air 2 smart glasses provide a smooth augmented reality experience while fusing style and utility. They serve as both eyewear and a digital assistant, projecting translations, navigational instructions, and crucial notifications straight into your field of vision. They are fashionable and lightweight. These glasses are a great tool for tech aficionados and multitaskers alike because they are powered by state-of-the-art augmented reality technology. Ring Always Home Cam. The Ring Always Home Cam, a drone camera that patrols your home on its own, is a revolutionary advancement in home security. This gadget guarantees that you can inspect every area of your house while you're away without setting up numerous static cameras. It is a discreet yet effective protector of your environment because of its small size and accurate navigation. With its HD video recording capabilities and Ring ecosystem connectivity, this flying camera sends real-time notifications and updates straight to your smartphone. Litter Robot 4. The Litter Robot 4's clever self-cleaning technology eliminates the stress of cat ownership. This advanced litter box quickly takes care of the unpleasant tasks for you by detecting when your feline buddy has finished using the restroom. Its sleek, contemporary style blends in perfectly with any house, and the odor controlling mechanism keeps your area smelling clean and fresh. In addition to its ability to clean itself, the Litter Robot 4 has app connectivity, which enables remote monitoring and control. It even keeps track of your cat's litter habits, giving you important health information. Splach Zippy. The Splach Zippy is a passport to easy urban travel, not merely an electric scooter. Combining flair and substance, this lightweight and compact ride is designed for short trips. While its high-capacity battery guarantees a lengthy ride without frequent recharge stops, its sturdy engine produces incredible speed. Its foldable design makes it ideal for carrying when you get to your destination or storing in confined locations. The Splach Zippy's focus on rider comfort is what makes it unique. Its easy controls make it a pleasure to use, and its shock-absorbing mechanism guarantees a smooth glide over uneven terrain. Thanks for joining us on this tech journey. Which gadget stole your heart? Drop a comment, hit that like button, and subscribe for more cutting-edge innovations. Stay tech-savvy and see you in the next video.